Good morning, distinguished guests, teachers, and my fellow students. I welcome you all to this premises. I'm very happy to be given this platform to express myself. I'm in the person of Margaret Esiedu. I'm a final year student at the Youth Institute of Science and Technology. We all know that every year you come to our school to make donations, but this year you weren't able to come. The donation you make to our school help us in so many ways, such as obtaining knowledge through experimentation and observation. As I said earlier, we are all JHS3 students and be graduating to the next level of education. Next year when you come, you won't be able to see us. You'll be leaving to the next level of education. So on behalf of all YIST students, we want to say thank you to you all. May the good Lord richly bless you. May you all live long to see all your grandchildren. Long live YIST, long live the Africans for the Africans. Thoughts and investment. Thank you.
Okay, so